Hello and welcome to TAIK. I am mohammedadnant, and in this video we are going to discuss about how you can switch data between direct to import or import to direct in Power BI. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Right now I'm adding a new playlist. I'm uploading a video about the real-time scenarios, how we can able to do it in our production environment. If you have any suggestions, if you want me to make any videos on some situations, please post it in the comment section as well. I'll try to make that video as soon as possible. Now let's get started. I have this Power BI file, and this is now the import connection. If you want to change it to direct connection, for that you need to go home and transform data, and then right click on the table, delete, apply and close. It will refresh, and it is showing the message that something is wrong with one or more fields. If you click on the C detail, it will tell you that something's wrong with one or more fields. Production inventory, that's the table name, is not available. So no need to get panic about this. Go back again to transform data and go to these recent sources. Select the table and click OK. Here it will ask you for whether it is the import or direct query. Change this to direct query now and click OK. It loads the data and then close and apply. This brings up your data. If you look at the right bottom, the storage mode is direct query. Click to change. So this is the way you can able to change from import to direct. Now let's see about how you can convert it to direct to import. And this is so simple. This is a Power BI file, right? If you go to this right bottom, you'll see this option, storage mode direct query. Click to change. If you click on that, it will give a dialog box, switch all tables to import mode. Setting the storage mode to import has the following implications. Please consider them carefully before proceeding. Setting storage mode to import is an irreversible operation. You will not be able to switch it back to direct query. All tables will be refreshed, which may take depending on factors such as data volume. Learn more about setting storage mode. Because you can't able to undo this process. If you want to switch it back again, you have to do this process like what I have done just before. You need to delete the tables and then reconnect it to the data sources. Now I'm switching this to direct query to import mode. Switch all tables to import. Click on that. It is getting the data, it is loading the data. Done. So if you can see on the below right side, there is no indicator that this is direct query mode. If there is an alert on the below right side, it is direct query. If there is no alert on that, I mean notification on that, then it is an import data. This is so simple, right? You can able to switch it between the direct and import data load in Power BI. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please click on the big thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notification. But make sure you turn on the notification on your devices. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries and feedback, please post it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.